Hello everyone, this is the foundation design on a safe software made by Shlok Bansal and Monish Nagle for the Skyfi Lab project. As you can see, this is a 23-story building foundation plan. We will first define the materials, and as you can see, we will be defining two materials, M40 concrete and HYSD 500 bar. The M40 concrete is used for concreting and HYSD bars are used in longitudinal columns. All the data in M40 concrete have to be filled and can be get through internet. We have defined the material, after which we will define the SEP properties. We will be using M40 concrete. Initially the width of the foundation is 500, but it will later change to 1200 mm. There are two types of column provided in this. The first one is 500 by 500 and another is 600 into 600. As you can see in the design, all the outer columns are of 500 into 500. The inner columns are 600 into 600 mm. Now we will be providing the subgrade properties of a soil. The subgrade modulus as per the question came to be 3e plus 0.4 or 3 into 10 raised to the power 4. This can be changed as per question. After doing all this, we will be providing load patterns. In load pattern you can see dead and live load. After that, load cases, both are linearly static. After this, we will be applying load combination. There are two types of load combination. First is ultimate, second is serviceability. You can see the first one has the factor of 1.5. This is for ultimate load. The another, which is of serviceability, you can see COM2 has a factor of 1. Here all the tick marks are there except the first one. After completing all this, we will be drawing the footing as shown on the screen. After the footing has been drawn, we will be assigning the soil properties. As you can see on your screen, the soil properties and load data has been applied. You can right click anywhere on the footing to get the properties. Here you can see all the properties of the footing. Each of the property has been shown there. The clear cover, again right click to get the properties of the column. Till here we have drawn all the footing, and we have applied the loads and defined the properties. After this we will be analyzing it and run the design. After completing this, we will be running the detailing option. Here we can find reinforcement design. This is reinforcement design, rebar planner, rebar schedule, and bill of quantities. This is the bill of quantities. By showing all this, I would like to conclude my project. Thank you.